This is an original single-sided Braille plate set. Now this was embossed with the top plate and the bottom plate at the same time. They're attached at the folded point on the plates, and before this can be mounted in the press, it has to be trimmed along this edge to separate the two plates. Once the two plates are separated, you wind up with an upper and a lower plate. Again, these are single-sided Braille plates, and these can be text only, text and graphics, or just graphics only. For customers that are producing interpoint Braille, which is embossed on both sides of the sheet with one impression, it's a very similar system. You have the original Braille plate set, which is attached at the same bend point on the plates. This would be trimmed along this edge to separate the two plates, and that's going to create your upper and lower interpoint Braille plates, like you see here. Now, to simplify mounting the plates onto the NSF presses, we've made adapter plates for both the make-ready plate and the chase. And the Braille plates will actually interlock into the recesses which have been machined into the adapter plate. By supporting the Braille plates on the adapter plate, we can make it so that the alignment is much simpler and the Braille imprint quality will be much higher and the plates will last longer.